I'm going to show you how to make Coca Cola Black. It's a pop drink that was around in around 2006, 2007. So first of all, you take some Coke. And then you add about 1 part coffee for every 4 parts Coke, plus or minus a little, and you got Coca Cola Black. Today is February 10th, 2018. This is Whitsett, Pennsylvania, on the Youghiogheny River Trail, Great Elegant Passage. I'm going to try to ride the last few miles down to mile 99, so that this year, at least in 2019, I'll have done everything from West Newton to Connellsville, which isn't much, but it took way longer than I thought. And now it's 5:30 and it's almost dark, and I don't think there's enough snow for cross-country skiing, so I'm going to go on the bike. Okay, so plan B is cross-country skis. Ah, look who it is. I noticed there wasn't. And then she said, no, he's curious. Yeah, he wants to come up. She told me she worked in the morning and started to laugh. Now that she's dead. I told her I didn't, then crawled off to sleep in the bed. Freddy Dog. And how old are you, Freddy Dog? I was 18 months. Freddy Dog's 18 months old. Alone. February 15th, 2018. So do you have anything to say? Have anything to say for posterity? Norwegian wood. Daddy used to always tell us that, ask us if we had something to say for posterity. Aww. Look at him, he looks like a little stuffed toy. Mm-hmm. You can do the teddy bear. Okay. Look right inside, that's kind of interesting. Now he's not so yellow. Mm-hmm. Outside it's a different... He was a little bit dirty. The water was a little bit dirty, actually. Oh, wow. Freddie, were you dirty? Just a little bit. You're just a little bit dirty, you little guy. Oh, look at that face. He's so precious. Mm-hmm. He is. He's a good boy. Mm-hmm. Belly rub. Somebody wants a belly rub. Doesn't he love a belly rub? Belly rub. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Where's Mama? Where's Mama? No. That was a John Lennon song. You smell chippy. He's digging for something. What? That's Freddie. Hi, Freddie. Hey, Freddie. Ooh, watch what he does. He'll sneak in here. Freddie. Freddie. Freddie.